Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria and welcome to another video. I am so glad you are joining me today. Well, it is officially September and that sort of means the end of summer, but it's not over yet. Summer is still here until the 21st, so let's get a few more summer crafts in. This video is for the Sweet Tea Summer Collab with Elegant Embellishments, my friend Dee, and also with Scrap Passion. I will put links to their videos in the description box below. Please go check them out and see what they're doing for the collab. This is week 2 of the collab. I was absent week 1, but I am joining in for this week. Also, this is part of Saturday Morning Makes, and that hashtag will be in my description as well. If you caught one of my most recent Monday night live show, you would have seen me open this huge box of beautiful things from Anna in California. And these papers were in the box, and I thought these would be perfect for this collab. So here we have some papers from Anna. We have the watermelon. We have these cut-aparts, the sweet treats, more sweet treats, and some lemon and orange and lime wedges. And this is a piece of embossed paper. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but it does say juicy, and it has some embossed lemons on there. And then we have 3 card bases that are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 standard A2 size card bases. I have some bling, some summery stickers, and some stickers. These are wooden stickers from the Dollar Tree. I got them from Melissa a long time ago in one of my packages, and I colored them with permanent marker, and I'm going to use some of those today. So let's go ahead and get started. For the first card, I'm going to use these 2 pieces of paper and then my card base. I'm going to cut the paper to fit about halfway across this, about 2.5 inches each. I'm going to make this one about 2 3/4. And then this one about 2.5. And that leaves me quite a bit left over for another project. I'm going to line this up on the bottom. I want to make sure my juicy words line up perfectly. I think I will trim this one down to 2.5. Yeah, I think that will work pretty good. And then I will line those up on here, get them where I want them. Put this little piece of tape there, flip it over, and tape the back with some Scotch tape. Then I'm going to open it up like this and put some adhesive right there. And fold that back over. And then I have my piece for my card. Want to double check and make sure it lines up okay. Yep. And then I'm going to trim this at 5 3/8. I almost trimmed it wrong. So then I have that piece just like that. Save that scrap. I also have some ribbon. I have this ribbon here. I think this was from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I got it on clearance, and I thought the colors looked really good with this card. I'm going to give it a little bit of a trim. I'm going to run some of my tape runner right down the seam. And then add some tape runner to the back and fold the ribbon over. There we go. And then I will adhere this down to the card base. This is one of my favorite card sketches or card recipes to make this design. I use it a whole lot. Then I'm going to take these fruit pieces, and I think I'm going to use the lemon on there. Maybe the orange. The lemon makes it too much yellow. So we have the orange. I think that's pretty. Now this has already a piece of foam tape, but the foam tape lays right over the ribbon. So I'm going to peel that foam tape off. It's not very sticky anyway. And I'm going to add different foam tape to it, but on the top and on the bottom, so it straddles the ribbon. That way the ribbon runs in this little channel in the middle. There we go. And that card can be done. You can add a sentiment on it if you like, or you can just leave it. So I'm going to set that one aside, and let's move on to the next card. For the next card, I plan to use this paper as my background. I'm going to use that as a ribbon, and I'm going to use this as an embellishment. So I will start by cutting this. I'm going to cut this at 4 1/4. I'm sorry, 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then I'm going to trim out these popsicles. First, I'm going to trim right at the bottom of those popsicles. And then I will trim across the top. So we have this piece that looks like a piece of ribbon. And then I'm going to be using these two pieces, this one for this card. So I'm going to trim it down the center. And I will trim them both out. So I have my card base. And then I have my piece of fake ribbon, and then I will be using that as my embellishment. So I'm going to adhere my card base down first. And then my piece of ribbon has this blue on each side, and I don't want that to show, so I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to cut this ribbon in half. And I will have it like, kind of like that. So I'm going to take and place it. I'm going to line it up on the back of this and just tape it to the back. I will put adhesive on the back of this and place this where I want it on the card. I think I want it off center. I'm going to have it more towards the right end of the card, like that. And then I will trim my fake ribbon off. And then I have these, this bling, and this round circle, this pink one, seems to match up in that circle perfectly. So I'm going to take that off and line it up. There we go. I like the way that looks. And then I have these stickers, and I think I can fit 2 of them inside here. These 2 treats. There we go, and I will press those down. So that is that card all done. I love the way that came out. So fun. Definitely summer sweet treats. And then for my last card, I will be using this really fun paper and this embellishment cut apart. So I will cut the paper to the correct size, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I will take this. This paper has some gold in it, and I have this piece of gold. I will go ahead and mat this on the gold. And then I will trim it around, just eyeballing it. So that gives it a more finished look. I love the way that looks. And I will adhere this down to the card base. I will put this on some foam squares and then just line that up on there. And for a fun little embellishment towards the bottom, I will take one of these watermelon pieces and just put that down at the bottom. I will add a little bit more of the foam embellishments on the back, just because the original ones don't really stick that well, I don't think. There we go. So super quick and easy. We have 3 really fun summertime cards. I think for this one, I'm going to use this embellishment that says, "Hello, Summertime," and put this down in the corner there just to finish it off. There we go. Those are my 3 cards for the Sweet Tea Summer Collab. And this collab, again, was hosted by my friend Dee over at Elegant Embellishments. And then also Scrapping Passion was one of the other participants. Like I said, I'll put those links in the description box below so you can check out their channels. If you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button right down there in the corner, and then click on the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. If you'd like some more really easy card designs, such as this one here, check out some of my sketch videos. This original one, I believe, was sketch number 1, and I've used it a lot since then. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty-Ria, we'd love to have you join our crafting family over there. I will put that link also in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.